if you would describe yourself to what you are today, yung lagay sa usa ka word na imong nakuptan throughout the many years in public service from the media and now you're being a politician.
Service. Service lang. Public service. Di man ko I actually I don't consider myself as a politician, kumbaga. Although I'm a politician per se, but I don't consider myself a politician because media man ko di gina ko malikayan nga naa ginang burning desire, passion sa usa ka media practitioner, no? Just like the late Leo Avila and the Vergaras,
Yes.
who were media practitioners. Naagad na sa ila digid mawala na usahay pagka tawag kanang yung the passion, no? To serve the people. Digid mawala na. John Pala before isa pa nga media practitioner to nga nahimong konsehal. Lang ato po silang ginapasalamatan sila mga contributions, and hopefully the people will not remember us as we are, but as kung saan mo na contribute o nakahatag o gatabang natampo namo sa sosyedad.